Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get ROCCO Disco from Stealer Brainrot, and this is one of the 3 Brainrots that you need to unlock Tough Toucan. So let's get straight into the video. So there are 2 primary ways of unlocking ROCCO Disco, and the first method is going to be he's going to appear on the red carpet. And once he does, he will cost about $150 million, and he will be making around $650,000 per second. So again, he will be on the red carpet. So that is one way of seeing where he would be spawning, or how to get him basically. Now the second way is by stealing him, which is pretty simple. You guys can go ahead and look for other people's bases, and then you guys can go ahead and see if he is there. So yeah, these are the 2 primary ways of unlocking Brainrots, or the specific Brainrot ROCCO Disco. So yeah, that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.